So good evening everyone. Our topic is about SonarQube. So SonarQube is an open source platform which is used for continuous inspection of code quality. It helps the developer analyze and improve the quality of their code by detecting issues like bugs, vulnerabilities and code smells. Okay, so for installing and running SonarQube, we need to have Java or JDK in our system. So first step is you have to install JDK. If JDK is already installed, then you can move to next step. Next step is you have to install SonarQube. For that, you have to download it from the official website. And along with SonarQube, you have to download another application which is known as Sonar Scanner. These are the two applications. First one is SonarQube and another one is Sonar Scanner. So SonarQube is the application through which you can check whether your code is correct or not, and Sonar Scanner is used to scan the code. It is like a library which you import if you want to scan the code. So to run SonarQube, first you have to like add this Sonar Scanner to the environment file. Uh, the bin file, you have to copy this bin address and you have to add it to the environment file. If that's done, then you can use your terminal, and using the terminal you have to navigate to your directory where the SonarQube is installed. And once you navigate to the directory, you have to use the command /sonars start sonars .bat, and once you click on it, it will start running, and then you have to open Chrome or any browser you have. You have to go to the URL localhost is 9000. It will take a little bit of time for loading. If you are running SonarQube for the first time, then it will ask you for username and password. So for the first time, the username and password will both be admin, and once you log in for the first time, it will ask you to change the password and username. Here I have given the username as admin and I have given password as something else. Here you can see this is the SonarQube. Here you, if you want, you can git pull your project, or you can use any different setup such as Bitbucket or my Azure DevOps. And here you have multiple different options such as quality profile, quality gate, and if you go on to your profile, here you can see an option which is known as developer options, and here you can create a new demo token, and using this token you can paste it onto a environment file, and from that environment file you can check for any discrepancies in your code directly with the help of this SonarQube.
I will explain the different sections of the SonarQube server. So this is the project section. Project in SonarQube represents a piece of software, typically our application, that is analyzed for code quality. Each project is linked to its source code, where SonarQube will run various analysis tasks. Projects can be created manually or automatically. So we have created the project called SonarQube demo. So this is the project we have created. Project dashboard consists of code coverage, duplications, code smells, bugs, and vulnerabilities. Code quality gate status. So another section is issues. Issues in SonarQube represents problems detected during the analysis of a project's code. These issues could be anything like and bugs and vulnerabilities to code smells. These are the signs of potential problematic code. So different issues are like bugs. So it shows like bugs, vulnerabilities, or code smells. Bugs are like the problems that could lead to errors during runtime. Uh, Code smells are the code that are not necessarily wrong, but it could be improved. So that code are not wrong, but they can be improved for better function of the program or the code. Duplications are the code that appears more than once. So another section is rules. Rules are the standards that checks platform applies during analysis. These rules can be related to best practices, security, vulnerabilities, code structure, etc. So these are the various sections in this. So the another section is quality profile. Quality profile is a set of rules that are applied when analyzing a project's code. It allows us to define which rules SonarQube should use for a given language or project. We can have different quality profiles. So these are the various quality profiles for Azure Resource Manager, CHash, CSS, CloudFormation, Docker, Flex, Go, HTML, etc. We can create custom profiles based on the need of the project. So the next section is quality gates. Quality gate is a set of conditions that the project must meet to be considered of acceptable quality. It defines whether or not the project passes or fails based on the analysis results. So it shows that our code, clean code that is ready. Right. So the another section is administration. Administration section in SonarQube allows users with the administrative privileges to configure and manage SonarQube settings, including project settings, quality profiles, quality gates, and more. These are general settings. You can find settings here. So we have created the project here. So this is the hello world.java file. So SonarQube demo is the project we have created. In the SonarQube demo, we have created a folder called SRC. In SRC, we have the file called hello world.java and another file inside the main folder, that is SonarQube demo, Sonar project properties. So it contains the Sonar host URL that leads us to the server. So when we open the server, as shown before, it leads us to the SonarQube main server where we have various sections like projects. Sonar.login. So it is the authentication token. This token we can obtain from the server. So this is the server. This is server where we have to go to the my account. So in the my account, we have to go to security. Here we get the token. So this is the section where we can get the token. So this is about the SonarQube tool. And thank you.